Uh, Hello, my name is Elias X, and I want to talk about a topic that is very, very close to my heart, and that is dental care for people in this society that are not rich and can't afford dental insurance. I have a gap in the upper row of my teeth, and I'm missing a couple of other teeth in places that you can't see it. I at one point in my life made a very good living, but I didn't have health insurance, and then I had a catastrophic illness, and it rendered me disabled, and now I'm in a wheelchair, and progressively I'm losing the use of my legs, and this is a society in which healthcare for indigent people is considered to be like an afterthought. I mean, I want you to consider something. I'm a big supporter of AOC. I'm a big supporter of Senator Bernie Sanders and all progressives. And all progressives. But I'm very troubled by something that I notice that all of them are overlooking when they talk about healthcare for all. What do you mean by healthcare? If you mean that I have a cold, I have access to a doctor, wonderful. If you mean that any illness that I have, I can go and get treatment, wonderful. But what about my dental health? My dental health is important, okay? Bad dental health can lead to a heart attack. Bad dental health can lead to infectious diseases of a lot of different types, okay? The mouth is central to human existence. Teeth are central to human existence. What kind of a country are we? I mean, if you go to Canada, if you go to a lot of European countries where they have universal health care, a person walking around with missing teeth is considered an oddity. In this society, we have this capitalist mentality, pay your own way or die, that kind of thinking. We don't care about people being homeless. We don't care about people living in the streets. We don't care about disabled people, not really. Okay? And we sure as hell don't care about people with deteriorating dental health. And I just want to tell the progressives out there, one of my favorite people in America at the moment, AOC, and Senator Bernie Sanders, who's equally loved by me. I want to tell them, don't forget, as progressives, what the rest of the political spectrum seems to ignore, and that is that dental health is a part of general health, and that it needs to be addressed. There are too many Americans going around without teeth or missing teeth and bad dental health. The land of the great, the land of the free should not be also the land of the homeless, the land of the toothless, and there are so many things in this society that we really need to address. But our health is a fundamental issue that we should address. So I urge I urge all of the progressives out there. I urge members of the Democratic Socialist Party of America. I urge all of the people that are discovering that they have a voice that they need to use in order to change the society. Please don't forget the suffering of people who have dental health issues. Okay, dental health issues are no different than any other issues of the body. They're worse in a way because they're extremely painful. This society needs to do some soul searching. This society needs to ask itself, what kind of people are we that we tolerate seeing our fellow citizens sleeping in doorways and dying of treatable diseases and going around with deteriorating dental issues and they have no insurance, they have no way of addressing it. We need to remedy that. Okay, and please, progressives, democratic socialists, all of you who have your head screwed on right, all of you who really seem to care about human beings as opposed to corporations, please, let's address this. Please, let's change this. Okay, we have come to realize that the conservatives, the Republicans, and for that matter, a lot of the corporate-backed Democrats don't really seem to care about people. They care more about corporations. So let me say something quickly about that. When you compare the fraction of money that poor people in this society receive to the vast hoard of money that corporations get, there's no comparison. Well, what poor people get is a drop in the bucket. And let me quickly correct a misperception. The overwhelming majority of people in this society who receive any kind of public benefits happen to be white. In the media, they're always portrayed as being black. But multiply that by 1 billion times, and that's probably close to what corporations get as opposed to indigent people. What kind of society are we? Let's address these things, and please, let's stop taking dental health for granted. Anyway, if anybody out there is listening, I hope that you like, I hope that you subscribe, and share this video, because this is something that I think there are a lot of other people out there that are having these problems and they don't talk about them, and we should talk about them. Thank you. Have a nice day.